Hello everybody, today we make pasta primavera. Pasta Primavera, we gotta use everything nice, vegetable, fresh. And I got over here nice zucchini, and I slice already. I got one red pepper. I got carrots. Now I did with the potato peel the carrots, because the carrots when you cook you need more time. Like this, I put it together with everything, it's more thin. I did the carrots. Fresh peas, I got mushroom, baby bella mushroom. Garlic. I got my oil baby. Asparagus, this is wild asparagus. And I got tomato. This it's the San Marzano tomato, but it's the small one. And I got over here 1 pound cortecce. Look how beautiful. This one I cook this, it's it. It's la primavera. Okay, we start with the olive oil. It's olio di oliva. And we gotta make sure that the oil it's nice warm. We gotta use a little extra oil. I got a lot of stuff to pour in. Now, so you got more stuff to pour inside, go ahead. It's a primavera. It's a pasta primavera. And we start with the garlic. Okay, and the garlic started to smell really, really good. And make sure to not burn the garlic. Okay, now we start with the pepper. The red pepper. And we give a nice turn on the pepper, like 1 minute. The pepper it's more hard. Okay, now the pepper, it's like oil baby now. This is the Italian long hot pepper. Okay, now this is really quick to go. And we go with the zucchini. We give a nice turn on the zucchini. And this dish, it's so easy to make. It's not hard. One time you chop everything it go easy. Okay, now this is nice to turn everything, and now it's the time of the baby bella mushroom. And we give a nice turn with the baby bella mushroom. And now the peas. This it's a fresh peas, no frozen, it's fresh. Okay, now it's time asparagus. Give a little turn. And now ready for the carrots. Already smell like la primavera. It smell really, really everything fresh. Now we put the San Marzano tomato, plum tomato. Make sure to turn once in a while this. Okay, now we gotta put black pepper. And I got a sea salt over here. Okay. And we give a nice turn everything. Okay, now the vegetable gotta cook like 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, you don't want to cook it too much, because you want the vegetable to be nice and crunchy. The vegetable almost ready, and we cook the pasta. I put salt already. Okay, now when the pasta is done, the vegetable will be ready to together, all together. And we gotta put it together, the pasta, everything with the vegetable, and we mix it together. Okay, now the pasta is done. Turn the gas off. And we put it right over here in the front over here. And let's drain my corteccia. Okay, you need a little water. And we dump right inside over here. Okay, we give a nice turn. Look how beautiful looking at this. Oh, you see the pasta? Change right away, change the color, my primavera. And we put some of the water. This is no cupine water. Like I said, make sure to keep a little water. That's enough. That's it. Now we give a nice mix. And we leave it stay a little bit more. The cook like this, you drain more the water. And this I want to enjoy it tonight. Delicious dish primavera. Okay, now it's a time to taste my pasta primavera. Give a nice mix. I put right over here in this dish. Okay, I gotta use my little parsley and I got my fresh basil. I like basil. A little cheese. This is a little pecorino cheese. Okay. And now, a little pepper. It's really, really good. And I want to say, with this dish, primavera dish over here, I want to say to everybody, salud e chin chin. Really, really good.